Hi everyone, welcome back to a new episode of Quick Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can change Sketchbook text color. Keep watching the video till the end. To change your text color in Sketchbook, firstly open your Sketchbook application. The home page of Sketchbook application will appear on the screen. Click on 9-box icon at the top of the screen. Click on text option and tap on keyboard icon. Type in any text you want. Now to change the text color, click on custom color icon right next to the text icon. Select the color you want to change to and tap on cross icon. This is how you can change text color in Sketchbook quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.